Hello and welcome to Descript Decoded, where we give expert tutorials on how to use Descript. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you three things that you should know when adding video in Descript. The first thing is, if you're adding stock video, you can see sometimes it takes a while to load. The quickest thing to get around this is just to go to the free stock websites that they get these videos from, because this is basically a compilation of a lot of the free stock libraries that are available. You can just go to those sites directly, download the video that you'd like to use, and then upload it here. It's a lot quicker. There will be times where this will be frozen and nothing will be able to load. You'll try to search something and it won't come up with any results. The second thing that I would like to add is when you're adding video from stock, let's say, let me check this one out. Okay, let me play it. Okay, that's good. Sometimes there used to be a case where some of these would have audio still embedded in it, but it seemed like it's no longer the case in most of these, but still it doesn't hurt to double check. And lastly, the last tip is when it comes down to video and you're adding captions. So let's say I go to captions and actually let me add a few more videos. So click here, target here, and you've seen here. Just add another stock video here. Okay, yeah, this one's quite important because it really messes up my workflow. Okay, so when you're adding captions, let's say I like this one and I click it and then I go ahead and play it. It looks good. Everything looks fine. And let me just see the transition real quick into the next video. Good. Okay. But here's the problem. Let's say I don't like this one and I want to change it to this one now. And I click this one. Oh, what do we have here? We have two captions. All right. And it's okay if it's just two slides or two scenes. But if you got 20, 30, 40 slides, now you have to go back and redo everything. So my best advice when it comes down to adding caption is make sure you like what you like here before you click on this button. Otherwise, you're going to have to do a lot of deleting. Okay. So it's going to be a real pain. And that's important because a lot of people think that when you add it in, the automatic caption is automatically added. So when you click another one, it should be automatically deleted, and that's not the case. You have to go back through all the slides and see them delete them. So my best advice to anyone who wants to add dynamic caption is to be sure which one you like, and then just triple check to make sure you like that style, and then hit the finalize button, because otherwise it's going to be a lot of extra work. And I learned that the hard way. So I hope these tips and tricks were helpful. And if it was, could you please hit the like button? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.